Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to explain the jewels and stones problem. So in this problem what we have given two strings. The first string will contain some characters, and second string will also contain an character. So we have to find the number of occurrences of first string in the second string. For example, in this first example, there is a small a and capital A. So in the second string, the capital A uh, is present two times, and the small a is present only at one time. So the total count of occurrences of these characters in the second string will be 3. And let's see the second example. The second example is that the small string 1 contain small z, and the string 2 contains the two capital letters z. So there is no matching, we can say there is no matched between two strings, so we have to return the true. So we have to return the 0, sorry, we have to return the 0. The count of this character will be 0 in the second string. So what we have given, for example, so we have given two strings, and let's say s1 that has character small a and capital A, and we have also given an string 2 that have let's say that has characters a, capital A and triple V. So what we have to do is we have to find the number of times this character that s1 that string s1 has characters a, small a and capital A. So we have to find this small a and capital A number these string in the we have to find the occurrence of these characters in the second string. So there will be the small a will be present only at one time, so 1, and there will be count will be 1, and the capital A is present two times, that is so we will add 2, so the total count will be 3. So we have to return this 3 in this particular case. So one property is of s1 is given, that the s1 will be always unique. So and s1 will be always unique, and it will be case sensitive. So case sensitive means that small a is different from the capital A. So because sky value of these two alphabets are different, so their sky value will be also different, so these are not same. So this is case sensitive. So we have to return the occurrences of these strings in the s2. So simply the naive approach will be, we will simply iterate through this array, and I will check that if this string 1 has these characters a and a, this is present, I put a condition, I will run a nested loop, and I put a condition that if this a is present in this whole string, then I will declare one counter, that is one counter variable that will be initializing with starting with the 0. We will initialize this count variable with 0, and after that I will run a nested loop, and I will put a condition in between, that if if my s1 of j that is equal to s2 of k, then we have to increment the count. So we need to increment this count variable. So at the end we have to return this count variable. So let me write with the this keyboard thing. So what I will do, so I will run a for loop. So I will run a for loop from int I equal to 0 through this big string length, that is I will be less than s2 dot length, that is s2 dot length, and we will increment the counter, and in second loop there will be one j variable that will be starting from this, and this will be s1, sorry, smaller will this will be s1 dot length, and this will be s2 dot length. So this will be j plus plus, and I will put a condition that if s of j is equal to s of I, then I need to increment this count variable, that is count plus plus, and at the end we have to I will return this count variable, that is return count. Okay, so this is the naive approach, I can say brute force approach, which has time complexity of big O of n, that is because n square, because let me explain this. So the first loop is running from, that is 0 to the length of s1, and the second that is inside this for loop, one for loop is also running, that is from 0 to, that is from 0 to s2 dot length. So this will be the length of the string. So what will be the time complexity? So time complexity will be, that is big O of s1 into, that is s1 into s2. If these for example, if let's say if the length of s1, that is I can take n, in worst case, in worst scenario, what is the worst scenario will be s2 will be equal, the length of both the strings will be equal. So what I will do, I will take, that is n into n, that means the worst complexity for this approach will be big O of n, and space complexity, so we are not using any extra auxiliary space, so the the space complexity will be big O of n, that is constant space complexity. So sorry, space complexity will be constant, that is big O of 1, and the time complexity will be this n square. So how can we optimize it to, that is n square to big O of n? So what I will do is so that I in a single loop I can find its answer. So what I can do is I can simply store the characters with their indexes. So uh, I will use the map to store the characters of first string along with the indexes. So after that, what I will do, I will run a for loop in the second string, and I will check if this that means the characters, that is I will find the character, each characters, and I will see that is present in the map. If it is present in the map, I will declare a count variable, and I will increment that count variable if it is present in the map. So I will increment that count variable, and at the end I will return the count variable. So this will be the code. So in first step, what I have done, I have taken an unordered map, which is of type character comma int. So character will be this character will be string one. What I will do, the I will store these characters along with the indexes in the map. And in the second thing, what I will do, I will declare a count, that is count variable, starting with the null, that is 0 value. And after that I will iterate through this longest string and check if this value is present in the map. If it is present in the map, then I will increment the count and return the count. So time complex, this will be the optimized approach, and the time complexity will be big O of n, because we are iterating only at one time. So we are iterating through this longest string only at one time, and this operation will be take log n time, that is big O of log n. That inserting characters in a map will take big O of log n time. So log n time plus, that is big O of n, plus log n, that is big O of n. So in worst scenario, that is big O of the auxiliary that is time complexity will be big O of n, and space complexity will be constant space complexity, that is big O of n. So this will be the brute force approach for this question. Thank you for watching this tutorial.